Plunging a clogged drain exposes you to bacteria and bodily fluids, so take precautions to reduce contamination risk. When you plunge, start by removing standing water if possible using a small container so you minimize splashes. Use heavy-duty disposable gloves and long sleeves to keep skin covered, and choose a glove material resistant to chemicals if you will also use drain solvents. Position the plunger firmly over the drain and pump with steady strokes so you avoid sudden expulsions that can spray contaminated water. After clearing the clog, pour a cup of household bleach diluted in a gallon of water or a commercially labeled disinfectant down the affected area, and wipe surrounding surfaces with disposable cloths to kill microbes. Avoid touching your face or personal items while working, and keep family members, especially children and pets, out of the area until cleanup is complete. Finally, remove gloves by peeling them off inside out, dispose of them in a sealed bag, and wash your hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Common mistakes include not wearing gloves, which increases direct exposure to bacteria and irritants, so always put gloves on before you begin, and change them if they become torn or heavily soiled. Another issue is creating splashes by using overly aggressive plunging or standing too close, so steady, controlled strokes and covering nearby items will prevent contamination of surfaces and clothing. A final concern is inadequate disinfection of tools and touched areas after you finish. So immediately clean the plunger, sink rim, cabinet handles, and any phone or tool you touched with a disinfectant and launder clothing worn during the job. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work through our platform. We also host a discussion community where users share real-world tips and experiences about projects and safety practices.